Hi there. Today, clean the hand wash bowl in the toilet for my family. Scale has been accumulated on the bowl. Besides, what I cannot see if I open the bowl. Oh, gross, no way. Prepare strict acid and some steps for cleaning. 5 grams of strict acid for 100 ml of water. Shaking and shaking well. Spray the strict acid. Cover the bowl with food wrap to avoid drying. We have to wait 30 minutes. Oh, gross. The inside of the toilet, that should be cleaned. Thirty minutes later, how is the scale? It has become tender. Wash, 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 and wash. Almost complete. I did it.